Yes, now the next problem is draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center. Now you see, first of all you draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter, and from this center you take 2 points which are at a distance of 7 centimeter. So the best way is you put your scale on the 7 centimeter marker. Yes, and this side you take 14 and this side you take 7, and now join it like this up to 14. Join it like this up to 14. So this is the O point, this is P point, and this is Q point. Now what is the distance of P from O? It is 7, and this is also 7 because this full line is 14 centimeter. Now what we have to do is, from this point we have to draw a pair of tangent, and from this point you have to draw a pair of tangent. For that, the first thing is you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this OQ. So this will be the perpendicular bisector, first part, second part. Perpendicular bisector of OQ, and join it like this. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ and join it this way. When you join, you will find the midpoint. Say this point is M. Taking M as a center, draw a circle which will pass through both the points. Draw the circle this way. This is the same construction which we have done earlier. Name this point as A point, this point, and this point as B point. I am talking about this point, and this side it is this point. Now join it like this. Join it this way. That will be one tangent, and join like this. It will be the second tangent. Now join these point of contact to the center also. So it will be radius. Make it dotted. Side also you make it dotted line. So we can say that this is the tangent from this. The same you have to repeat from this side also. The same procedure you will be repeating from this particular side also. For that, again draw the perpendicular bisector of this OP. So draw more than half, and from here also draw more than half, and join it. So you will get the perpendicular bisector. Name this point as, say, N point, and by taking N as a center, draw a circle like this. Draw a circle. You can see now I am explaining you. Draw a circle and name this particular point as, say, C point, and make this particular point as a D point, and join P to C. Join this P to C point like this, and this side join this P point to the D point. Yes. So here there are two tangents. Here join C to O, that will be the radius, and join this D to O, that will be the radius part. So in this way we can draw the tangents from two external points. This is just related to the first one only, but little and very important, please work for the accuracy of the figure. I hope it is clear to you. You see my video many times, you will be able to get the things. Thank you.